Alright, I'm going to show you how to change the oil on a Ford 6.0 diesel. First thing we're going to do is start draining the oil. You're going to need a 19mm socket. I'll slide under here. Right there is the bottom of your oil pan. This over here is your transmission. That's not what you want. Right there. So we're going to crack that loose and drain it into our pan here. It holds about, I think it's roughly 15 or 16 quarts. It's a lot, so make sure you've got a big enough pan here to catch all your oil. When that's done draining there, just put your drain plug back in, tighten it down. No need to He-Man it, but just make sure it's good and tight. Alright, next thing you're going to do is take off your oil filter cap here. So I don't have my big crust wrench with me, so I just got a big set of channel locks here. Just need to twist that off. Alright, so when you got it out here, this comes up a long way, which is why I've got this bag here, just to catch any oil that might drip. We're just going to do a quick flip up like this. That's why the bag's there, and then any oil can run down into the cap. Alright, now take your new cap here with your filter and just get a little of this oil, rub it around on this seal, and just coat it really heavy with this oil. That just keeps your seal from sticking and helps it seal up when you tighten it down so it doesn't leak. Alright, so then you just put your new cap in here, spin it down, and tighten it right down until it's the cap's touching the bottom of the housing there. Then you just fill her back up with oil until she says she's full. According to my sticker here, the 6.0 takes 14 quarts. So do your own research, but that's what my sticker says. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you could like and subscribe, that would really help me out. And have a nice day.